As a successful OFW, what is your advice to upcoming OFWs? Huwag maging ATM. Seriously though, I know of friends na totally dependent sa kanya ang family sa Philippines. Wala siya masyado tinitira para sa kanya. Sabi ko kanya, ano mangyayari pag magkasakit ka, sino tutulong sa'yo at wala ka ipon, sagot niya lang, kasi marami umaasa sa akin. Ang sakit pakinggan, pero it's so true and it really happens. Tapos sila pa magagalit pag di ka makapadala. Therefore, it is super important to set boundaries. Do not send everything, learn to save and invest, and while doing that, might as well upskill para pag uwi mo sa Pinas you can potentially use that skill as a side hustle. Invest in yourself. Lastly, don't forget to enjoy. You must have joy kahit nasa ibang lugar ka. Find the things that will give you enjoyment para di ka naman mayumay sa